Good morning, children. I'm back. So this is Parshram Singh Rajput, the English teacher. My dear children, yesterday we have started. Yesterday we have started a lesson, the fourth lesson, right? Can you tell the name of the lesson? What is the name of the lesson? Yes, the fourth lesson is the giant. The giant panda. The giant panda. Yes, my dear children. Yesterday, so the lesson actually has started, right? So in the previous class, can you tell me what you have studied? Can you tell? Yes. So what are Xian pandas? In the previous class, I said the Xian. The Xian means a massive, big, huge, right? The Xian pandas, like we have seen in some of the countries like South America, North America, Europe, and mainly so Xian pandas we have seen in China, right? Yesterday, so I have given some questions like what are Xian pandas? These points actually we have studied in the previous class. Am I right, my dear children? Am I right? Yes, very good. What are Xian pandas and what do pandas look like? And how big are Xian pandas and how do pandas move? These questions actually we have studied in the previous class. Right, children? Yes, very good. Today, in this class, in this video class, we are going to discuss some more about the pandas, how they are living, and what they do eat, and how long do pandas live. These things we will discuss in this class. Right? Are you ready? So, shall we start the lesson? Okay, very good. Open your textbook. Page number is 39. Page number is 39. Look at the section 2. Ready, dear children? Let's look at what do pandas eat? The first question. The first question so then is the first question is what do pandas what do what do pandas eat? The first question, what do pandas eat? Are they eating as we are eating? No. The see, in the wild, in the forest, pandas only eat bamboo. See, my dear children, pandas actually they do eat bamboo. So pandas, so they eat bamboo. Bamboo means in Kannada we are saying bamboo, right? And in Hindi also we are saying a bamboo. This words as it is we are using in a three languages. In English we are saying a bamboo, and in Kannada we are saying bamboo, and in Hindi also like we are saying a bamboo, right? A bamboo means like the inside actually it is empty, it's a hollowness, right? That was a bamboo. So these giant pandas, they do eat bamboo. Pandas have to eat a lot of food to stay healthy. These giant pandas, they eat a lot of food to stay healthy. They eat 10 to 20 kilograms of a bamboo every day. See, my dear children, these giant pandas, they eat a bamboo, and how much they will eat? They eat 10 to 20 kilograms. Just imagine. Daily like a will eat so then like a gram wise, but these giant pandas, they eat 10 to 20 kilo bamboo every day. There are very few bamboos forests left today. So many wild pandas are short of food. My dear children, are short of food. Are short of food means, just look at, or a short of food. A short of food means do not get enough food. Do not get do not get enough food. I said, my dear children, so these giant pandas, they do eat bamboo, and nearly 10 to 20 kilos they eat every day. And nowadays these bamboos, they are disappearing. Are the short of the food today in the wild forest. Soon we may find that there are no any pandas left in the world. Because of the shortage of the bamboo trees in the forest, nowadays the number of the giant pandas actually is decreasing. Decreasing or increasing? Yes, the number of the giant pandas is decreasing nowadays in a zoos and in other centers where they are taken care of. The day by day the forest actually is going to be chopped off. A day by day deforestation we are saying. A day by day the number of the forest is going to be decreasing, and these pandas hardly we have seen in the forest. And nowadays we are seeing these pandas we are seeing nowadays in the zoo or in other centers. Right, dear children, and see, when they are taken care of, pandas eat bamboo, rice, cereal, carrots, apples, and sweet potatoes. When they were in the forest, they eat a plenty of bamboos, nearly 10 to 20 kilos. But now these pandas actually we have been seeing in a zoo and in other centers, and here they are eating a bamboo, rice, cereal, carrots, apples, and sweet potatoes. The pandas' front paws are not like the paws of other animals. See, in the previous class actually I told these are very good climbers. These pandas are very good climbers. They hold very tightly. They hold very tightly so while they are climbing the trees. And here they said the front paws of the pandas are not like other animals. They have a thumb. They use their paws to hold their food, bamboo shoots and leaves. I said, my dear children, so these giant pandas, they are very good climbers. And so look at the second question. The second question is, how long do pandas live? So what do pandas eat? We studied. Look at the second question. How long do pandas live? Giant pandas live for about 35 years. See, these pandas, they live nearly 35 years. It means how long do pandas live? The pandas do live up to 35 years. Sometimes they live longer in a captivity. A captivity means they have given here not living in the wild but in the zoos. It means like in the forest they can live up to 35 years. But if we keep the pandas in the zoo or in other centers, they can live more. They can live more than 35 years. And my dear children, look at the third question. What sounds do pandas make? So how long should do pandas live? They live up to 35 years. If we keep the pandas in the zoo or in other centers, they can live more than 35 years. The third question is, what sounds do pandas make? Look at, pandas mostly keep silent. Often, other animals like they're disturbing and they're making too much of noise. I take a good example of a monkey. Monkeys will not sit quiet on the branches of the tree. Always it's making a sound, right? Like other animals also they're continuously disturbing, right? But this panda, this giant panda, those animals are very kind. They bleat. See, they bleat. So they bleat. Bleat means, okay. So bleat means it's a make a sound like make a sound like it's a make a sound like that of a sheep, like that of a sheep. Is it a sheep or a sheep? Yes, it's a sheep, right? Look at. My dear children, I said that these pandas, they are very quiet, they are very silent, but sometimes they bleat when they communicate. So when they want to communicate with other animals, so when they want to communicate with other pandas, they bleat. And they bark to scare away an enemy. Yes, okay. Once then they bark also. Bark means we know that dog is barking, right? So these pandas, they bark to scare. Yes, they bark to scare. Scare means fright, fear, afraid, right? So they bark to scare away an enemy. When they are in a pain, they squeal. Squeal means, my dear children, squeal means, yeah, make a long, or high pitched sound. High pitched sound. So here, I said so then sometimes like they squeal. Squeal means, yeah, so then they squeal. Why they squeal? They squeal when they are in pain. Right? So what sounds do pandas make? Pandas actually sometimes they make a bleat. Why? Because to communicate with the other friendly manners, and sometimes like they bark to scare away of their enemies, and sometimes like they squeal when they are in a pain, right? And my dear children, take a last question. So that one is, who are pandas? So for the pandas, enemies. So who are the pandas enemies? Look at. A Xian panda has very few natural enemies. See, human being. So we have so many enemies, sometimes like our neighbors only, so they become an enemy. They become hated to us, right? So here, these pandas actually say that they have very few enemies. One of them is a snow leopard. See, one of is a enemy of the Xian panda. So that one is a snow. It's a snow. Yes, like a snow, a leopard or leopard also we are saying. It can catch a baby panda that has moved away from his mother. Sometimes a hungry eagle may snatch a baby panda that has been left in the tree. People hunt pandas for their fur. People also cut down the bamboos forest they live in. So pandas have no place to live and they wander into nearby villages in search of food. I said, my dear children, who are the enemies of these pandas? Snow leopard and eagle in the search of their food. Sometimes like they attack on the babies of the Xian pandas, the small Xian pandas. On them, so then they will attack. And nowadays, like a human being, for his selfishness, day by day he is cutting the bamboos. And we know that bamboo actually is one of the food of the Xian panda, right? For this reason only, nowadays Xian pandas, they are rushing towards the village and city in search of the food. Right, my dear children? So this is our lesson, Lizzie and Panda. Right? So in this lesson, so we have studied more about the ASEAN Panda. Right, my dear children? In the next class, we'll start and we'll discuss one more lesson or one more poem. Right? So just watch the video. If you do not understand anything, just call me and clarify your doubts. And in the next class only, so that I will give a notes of this lesson and write neatly the notes of the lesson in class work. Right? So until in the next class, I said enough. We'll start one more class. Until see you. Take care. Bye bye.